Okay, here we are again today with our Daughters of Liberty videos, and we are at the Northwest Colonial Festival at the very close in the Fiber Arts tent. You have seen probably other aspects of our videos before with bobbin lace and trim and spinning flax and wool and spinning on or weaving on a loom. Today we have again to show the great wheel. This wheel, it belongs to the Seattle NSDAR chapter, Rainier House, and it was resurrected last year by our master woodworker who specializes in restoring spinning wheels for us. We've done about 6 or 7 now, and it was found in the basement missing several pieces. I have discussed those pieces in another video, but today I'm going to talk more about the wool that we spin on this wheel. It's been quite the search over the last 6 months to find the right wool to spin on this wheel. They were meant to spin quite fine wool and really got popular as the merinos came in. Merino is a very fine wool, and it was not really that popular earlier on because we couldn't get access to the fine wools. So what I'm spinning today is some wool from one of my sheep that was a cross, a Finn Rambouillet Columbia cross, and Rambouillet is French merino. So what I'm going to do to get the wheel turning is I turn it with my hand, and I'm spinning from the fold. I'm just touching the yarn down, and as the yarn catches, I draw back and hope that it all twists together. I'm spinning from the fold. This fleece is particularly fine, so I can fold it over my fingertip. It catches right on the leader, and then I slowly pull back, and as I pull back it spins off the tip of my finger, and I have to keep ahead of the twist. Keeping ahead of the twist, just letting it spin off the tip of my finger. Once I get back 3 steps, I bring the yarn over my body towards the wheel, turn the wheel back just a touch, and wind it on. And then it's ready to start over, drawing back out again.